Okay, this one's a 2020 Santa Fe. How to switch the battery here. So first we're going to take this cover off here, which is just, well, these little clips here just pop out real simple. Remove it. Those little clips are sitting in like that. I'm just going to put some under there, get them up like that, and you should be able to pull them out. So, real simple with that. Some extra light here, so we're after this mount here is a 12 millimeter. Simply pull that out. There's a little thing to hold the bolt in there. Set that aside. These, the top of the battery, are 10 millimeters. You don't have to take them off. Just loosen them. And move this out of the way. Now it has this battery case cover thing. If it fits on the new battery, go ahead and use it. If it doesn't, not a big deal. You take this old battery out, and then we'll get the new battery. In case you're wondering about the battery specs on here, this is an AGM battery, 800 cold cranking amps, 140 RC, and then of course it's a 12 volt. Alright, so here we got the new battery. Oh, batteries are so heavy. Oh, look, that does fit on there, and I just put it in backwards. There's a big positive sign. You want to make sure the red positive. Don't mix those up. This was the negative cover. I don't remember taking it off, but it was down there. Whatever. So, battery in there. We put our mount back. Of course, you could do that last. Doesn't really matter either way. That's in there, and these have these little covers on the terminals. Make sure you take these covers off if they're there. If you put this clip over that, it's not going to work. You're going to have a bad time. Put that on there. Make sure it doesn't move. Put that on there. Make sure it doesn't move. Battery is installed. You slide this, and it just slides in. And put those clips back right here. I'm just trying to push all these little prongs inside that hole, and then just push it. I don't know where the other one went. I'll look for it later. Not that big a deal. You got the one end, you just do the same thing with the other one. Your battery's installed. And it's pretty simple. You should be able to do it in the parking lot. So, leave a like and thanks for watching.